Hello everyone, welcome to OpportunityCircle.com. Opportunity Circle is the #1 opportunities discovering platform for youth. In this video, we're going to give you the details about the World Bank Internship Program 2021. As you know, today's job market makes an internship more important than ever. In order to get a good job, work experience is necessary. There is a golden opportunity for all the graduate students around the world. The World Bank is offering paid internships in the year 2021 for talented and dedicated students from around the world. The Bank Internship Program offers highly motivated individuals an opportunity to be exposed to the mission and work of the World Bank. The internship allows individuals to bring new perspectives, innovative ideas, and research experience into the bank's work, while improving skills in a diverse environment. In addition, it is a great way to enhance your CVs with practical work experience. Internships are available in both development operations and other business units such as human resource, communications, accounting, etc. Here are some more details about the World Bank Internship Program. The World Bank Internship Program typically seeks candidates for operations in the following fields: economics, finance, human resource development, agriculture, social sciences, engineering, urban planning, natural resource management, private sector development, and other related fields or corporate support. The World Bank pays an hourly salary to all the interns and, where applicable, provides an allowance towards travel expenses up to $3,000. The World Bank internship is offered twice a year: summer internship and winter internship. Summer internship is between May to September and the application period is December 1st to January 31st, and the winter internship is November to March. The application period is October 1st to 31st each year. Process is online. All applications must be submitted online and during the respective application period. The World Bank does not accept applications by email or through any other medium. The eligibility criteria for the World Bank internship is: to be eligible for an internship, candidates must have an undergraduate degree and be enrolled in a full-time graduate study program, should be pursuing a master's degree or a PhD degree with plans to return to school full-time. There is no age limit. Fluency in English is required. Knowledge of language such as French, Spanish, Russian, Arabic, Portuguese or Chinese is desirable. Other skills such as computing skills are advantageous. The World Bank values diversity in the workplace and encourages all qualified individuals, particularly women with diverse professional and academic backgrounds, to apply. Their aim is to attract and recruit the best talent in the world. The required documents for this application are a CV, a statement of interest, and a proof of enrollment in the graduate program. The deadline for the coming year 2021 is January 31st, 2021. To apply for this internship, follow the link on our website. Click on Apply Now.
Are you enjoying the video? Do press the like button below and subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon for daily updates and latest content. Also join us on our Telegram to get daily opportunities directly in your inbox.
From the Apply Now link, you will be redirected to the World Bank's member portal. To apply for the internship, you have to register an account on the World Bank member portal. You can register your account through Microsoft, Google+, Facebook, LinkedIn, or through your email ID. You can follow the steps directed on their website and your account will be created and you will be enrolled in internship. I hope this video was helpful for you, and we'll be back with more videos to make your life easier and to make your future better.